Have you ever told yourself, next week I will start learning English seriously, but when the week ends, you realize you only watched a few videos, learned a couple of words, and then stopped again? Why does this happen to so many learners, especially young learners who truly want to improve? The truth is not that you are lazy or not smart enough. The real problem is that most people try to learn English without a clear weekly plan. And learning a language without a plan is like trying to plant a garden without watering it. You may start with excitement, but nothing grows because the effort is not consistent. Think about your daily habits for a moment. How much time do you spend scrolling on your phone, watching random videos, or doing things that do not really help your future? What if you used just 30 minutes a day with a simple plan? That small daily effort could slowly transform your English, just like a tiny seed slowly grows into a strong tree. Let me tell you a simple and inspiring story about a young learner named Liza. Liza was a curious girl who dreamed of speaking English confidently one day. She loved watching English cartoons and listening to stories, but every time she tried to learn seriously, she felt confused. One day she would watch a grammar lesson, the next day she would memorize vocabulary, and another day she would try to read a difficult book. After a few weeks, she became frustrated and asked herself, "Why am I studying, but my English is not improving?" Does this sound familiar to you? Many learners experience exactly the same struggle. One afternoon, Liza met her teacher, who gave her a very simple but powerful idea. The teacher said, "Liza, learning English is like building a house. If you try to build everything in one day, the house will fall. But if you place one brick every day, slowly and carefully, soon you will have a strong home." That idea stayed in Liza's mind. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, she decided to create a simple weekly English learning plan using stories, because stories are one of the most natural ways humans learn language. After all, when we were children, we did not learn language through grammar rules first. We learned through listening to stories, repeating words, and understanding meaning. So, Liza created her first 7-day learning plan. On Monday, she started with something very simple, listening to a short English story for beginners. The story was about daily life, and she listened carefully, even if she did not understand every word. She realized something important: understanding slowly is still progress. On Tuesday, she listened to the same story again, but this time she read the text while listening. Suddenly, some words became clearer, like turning on a small light in a dark room. On Wednesday, Liza decided to repeat the sentences aloud. At first, she felt shy, even though she was alone, but she remembered that speaking is like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. On Thursday, she practiced something called shadowing, where she listened to the speaker and tried to repeat at the same time. It was difficult in the beginning, but she imagined it like learning to dance. At first, your steps are slow and awkward, but after practice, your body begins to follow the rhythm naturally. On Friday, Liza wrote 5 simple sentences about the story using the new words she learned. They were not perfect sentences, but that did not matter because mistakes are like stepping stones across a river. They help you move forward. On Saturday, she tried to retell the story in her own words. She paused often, searched for vocabulary, and sometimes laughed at her mistakes. But she did not quit. And finally, on Sunday, she reviewed everything she learned during the week. She listened again, read again, and noticed something amazing: words that once felt strange now felt familiar. Her confidence began to grow, just like a plant growing stronger every time it receives sunlight and water. Now think about this carefully. If a simple weekly plan helped Liza improve step by step, what could happen if you follow the same method? Imagine understanding English stories without subtitles, speaking confidently with friends, traveling to different countries, or even creating your own English videos online. All of those dreams start with one small decision to practice a little every day. Many people wait for motivation before they start, but successful learners know a secret. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. When you begin practicing daily, even for a short time, your brain starts building new connections. Slowly, English stops feeling like a difficult subject and begins to feel like a natural tool for communication. So ask yourself honestly, will you spend another week wishing your English was better, or will you start building your own weekly learning plan today? Remember, every fluent English speaker once started as a beginner who struggled with simple words and sentences. The difference is that they kept going. They listened again and again, practiced again and again, and slowly their ability grew stronger. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey. And just like a long journey, the most important step is the first step. If you are a young learner watching this video, you have a powerful advantage. You have time, curiosity, and the ability to learn quickly. Start with simple stories like Liza did. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, read slowly, write simple sentences, and review what you learned every week. Imagine how powerful your English will become after 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year of consistent practice. Your future self will thank you for starting today. So here is your challenge. Create your own 7-day English learning plan right now. Follow the steps from Liza's story and practice every day, even if it is only for a short time. Small daily progress is still progress, and those small steps will eventually lead you to big success. And if you want more simple English stories, weekly learning plans, and easy lessons designed especially for young learners, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because together we will continue this journey and help you become more confident in English, one story, one day, and one step at a time.